There are many different nutrients that our bodies need, but one of the most important is protein. In fact, protein is an essential macronutrient that plays a vital role in nearly every process within your body. So today, I want to go over the many health benefits of protein. And first, let's start with number 1. Supports muscle growth and repair. You probably already know that eating enough protein is very important for building and repairing muscle tissues, especially if you are very physically active or you exercise a lot. But it's also very important after a workout, after an injury, or after surgery. Getting enough protein helps speed recovery by providing the necessary amino acids for tissue repair and rebuilding. And this is why we often recommend people who are recovering from injuries or surgeries to drink protein shakes. It's just an easy way to get a lot of protein all at once. Next, improves brain function. The brain is largely made up of protein and amino acids. The building blocks of protein are needed to make neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin, which help deliver messages between nerve cells and are involved in many important functions like mood, focus, and motivation. Getting enough protein ensures that you have the necessary raw materials to make these important chemicals that keep your brain working properly. Third, boosts metabolism and fat burning. It takes more energy to digest and break down protein compared to carbs or fat. This means that the thermic effect of protein is higher than other macronutrients. Plus, when you eat protein, it helps preserve muscle mass, which is metabolically active tissue. This is important because maintaining muscle mass helps you keep your metabolism higher, even when you are losing weight. So including protein in your diet can be a very effective strategy for boosting your metabolism and burning fat. Fourth, promotes satiety. When you eat a meal that contains a lot of protein, it tends to make you feel fuller for longer compared to a meal that is higher in carbs or fat. This is because protein requires more time and energy to digest, which signals fullness to your body. This can help you naturally reduce your overall calorie intake and support healthy weight management without feeling hungry or deprived. Fifth, supports bone health. Contrary to what some people believe, research shows that getting enough protein, especially from dairy and plant sources, can actually help strengthen bones and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. On the other hand, not getting enough protein can lead to bone loss and increase the risk of fractures. So if you want strong bones, don't forget the protein. Sixth, strengthens the immune system. Antibodies, which are proteins that help fight off infections, are made from protein. Getting enough protein ensures that your body has the necessary resources. 2. Produce these antibodies and other immune cells that protect you from harmful pathogens. Adequate protein intake also helps with wound healing and overall bodily repair, which is part of the immune response. 7th, essential for hormone production. Many important hormones, such as insulin and growth hormone, are proteins or require amino acids, the building blocks of protein, to be made. These hormones play various roles in regulating metabolism, growth and development, reproduction, and many other vital functions. Without sufficient protein intake, hormone production can be negatively affected, leading to imbalances and potential health issues. 8th, healthy skin, hair, and nails. Protein is a major component of the structure of collagen and keratin, which are important for maintaining healthy skin, hair, and nails. Getting enough protein in your diet ensures that your body has the necessary building blocks to produce these essential compounds, promoting strong, beautiful hair, youthful-looking skin, and resilient nails. And 9th, prevents muscle loss with age. As we age, we naturally lose muscle mass and strength, which can lead to frailty and a higher risk of falls and fractures. This condition is known as sarcopenia. But research shows that older adults who consume a higher protein diet can help prevent muscle loss by stimulating muscle protein synthesis and reducing muscle protein breakdown. Remember, you can get protein from both animal and plant sources. Some excellent sources of protein include eggs, chicken, fish, dairy products, beef, and turkey. And if you are plant-based, some great options include lentils, beans, tofu, quinoa, chia seeds, and nuts. So these are just some of the many health benefits of protein. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. And as always, I will see you in the next video.